some players exchanged for Carolina. A lead pass for Jeff Skinner didn't work. And no icing, is unable to get to it in time. There was Lyles. Lyles loses it. Loose in front of the net. They score! Staal, his first goal as a Carolina Hurricane on a giveaway in the corner after an icing did not materialize.
Well, Lyles doesn't like it, but Skinner with those tremendous wheels just flies down the ice. And let's have a look at it, first of all. Tough to tell from that angle. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4 Leafs in the corner. 2 Carolina Hurricanes in the corner, and that leaves Staal wide open in front. And he has a gift to tie up this game as Staal, with his reach, pretty little move to tuck it past Reimer, who had no chance on that play.
So the game is tied, and you can make it now 9 of 19 goals coming for Carolina in the second period. Back down into the Hurricane zone. Ward playing it off into the corner, cut off by Grabowski. Grabowski twists and turns, is able to swat it back, but unable to reach Kulemin with the puck. And it's back into the center ice area. Delayed offside is going to be whistled down.
Now, a lot of teams will overload the puck now in today's game and really be very aggressive in the defensive zone coverage, but you still need a defenseman or somebody in front of the net. Holzer's behind the